Good morning, traders. Your market outlook here, VPT Live, and this is Monday, the 20th of October. A lot of great stuff going on. It's about 15 minutes until the open. I'm going to start you off over here in the S&P 500, where last week we ratcheted up our analysis after we put in our double bottoms here. I inverted our Fibonacci projection. We projected the 127 and then talked about beautiful low-risk short entries against this 892.93 handle. We got short at 892 intraday, profited from this little pullback. Now you can see this market's put in a beautiful symmetrical double top. Overbought here, higher low here, a retest at that level in Globex. IBM earnings out this morning. IBM's off 8% already, and it's sucking the Dow Jones and the S&P 500 down with it. 20% of the S&P 500 report this week. S&P rollover right here. There is our swing low. A close below the 1870 handle, and my suspicion is we'll at least come back to the 50% Fibonacci retracement of the last leg up of this impulse move right here. Now again, we did break above this swing and this swing right here, but we still held that at 1900. So look for the pullback right here, break below 1870s. We're going to take the highest highs of Globex, 1894. We've traded down 20 points already. Our projection would be approximately 44 points. So from those swing highs right here, we would look at around the 1850 handle. Double F click right here. Let's pull in our 50% Fibonacci retracement. Bada bing, bada beautiful. Right here is about 120% ATR at the 50% fib. I've got structure relevance right here at around 1860. So S&P traders, beautiful, beautiful trade. Number two, we bought the SPY puts back here at the afternoon session on Friday, okay, and that's the weekly. So those are going to profit really nicely. We're going to cover partial here as we're going to be gapping lower. And then look for the balance to roll over here, again, back down into that 1854 handle. All right, now real quickly, last week we talked a little bit about the Dow Jones. The Dow popped. We looked at the 1618 fib extension. We liked these levels right up here at that structure. So we took the short entries right here at the 16327s. We pulled profits right here at the afternoon session during the close. We made slightly higher highs right here. Again, pre-IBM earnings, this was up around 50 to 60 points. Post-IBM earnings, you see the Dow Jones now broken below this swing low in the Dow, and highly likely we get an hourly lower low, lower close. This is my 8 o'clock bar that's going to close at 9 a.m. Now note, we've got an extreme oversold condition here, but anything down into Dow 16,000, we'll be looking to cover partial position on the short from here. And again, this low target right there, Dow 16,000, a round number. We'll get rid of this analysis. Let's go grab our Fibonacci retracement. There's the swing low that preceded the drive to that new structure high, and you can see that I've got a point of confluence. My 618 Fibonacci extension, 16,013. My low target today using my rule of projection, 16,007. So we've got a point of confluence right there, and again, that big round number, Dow 16,000. Real quickly, crude oil has rolled over. Then we saw a big pop and a rally, a $3 move Thursday of last week. Let's take a look at where crude oil is coming into the session. We've got this big dynamic resistance area with my DSR system. We looked for the short entries at 84. We popped right there to 84.88, came back down, and now we've settled. Really nice structure resistance here against the 83.35 to 83.65. It's about a 30-cent window. So as we look left right here, we've got structure support, 81.80 to 90. Structure resistance up here against the 83.40 to 60s. So right now as we pull down into here, we'll look at where the market is relative to gaps, and then we'll look for a pop right here. If we break structure support here, then we're probably going to go see $80 crude again. This is the December 2014 contract. All right, and then finally, VPT Live, we talked about this in the room. DH did the analysis for us, brought us in touch with NLNK right here. So during the live room, we popped the NLNK out. We pulled this down. We first rolled over here to our daily time frame. So NLNK right here, we got this spike. We pulled back down. I said watch for buy signals around the 382 Fibonacci retracement at $27. We then pulled it down to a 1-minute chart intraday where we found a SOS5 buy signal. So we'll look left right here. We identified this beautiful SOS5 buy signal. We talked about buying it on long entries around 27.27. Intraday, we got the pop right here. We had a target on all of the position at around $3.80 profit. You see that we popped right here to 30.45. So we came in just shy of that 13% return. Best part is, those of you that took part of it off right there had the opportunity to hold the balance. It was a potential takeover target, and it's been taken over. So DH just hit me right now real time. NLNK gets $150 million deal with Roche. And so you can see right here as I pull this over, headlines for exclusive worldwide licensing deal developed right here. The IDO inhibitor in phase 1, research collaboration for the discovery of the next generation. And that announcement right there, this is trading up $6 or 21% in the pre-market. We're going to gap higher here and open around $35. So those of you still long partial, opportunity to cover partial there on this nice gap. But again, this should give us opportunity for a sustained trade. Now let's go back here to the daily. One of the other reasons we liked this product was because previously it had traded at $53. It had a sustained bull move that took us to the $53. Because of that, we looked for the opportunity to possibly get long and then see a continuation move back into a retest of that $52. And now, not only did we get the technical buy signal here, we had a beautiful day trade for $2.50 per share, but also we've got news now that's popping this thing to $35.50. Should see a 2-day continuation move. So well done, congratulations. We'll be covering more of this just like we do every single week, Tuesday through Friday. Be sure to sign up on this page, register for this upcoming week, VPT Live, where we day trade futures, day trade equities, and options. We'll see you at the next update.